Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In fact, many plumbers specialize in areas such as natural gas piping. When you've got an issue with a gas pipe or need a gas line installed, it's time to call in a gas plumber near you. A natural gas plumber usually has a license or a master plumbing license that demonstrates a high degree of knowledge and experience.
Let's help you make your mark.
Gas line installation is not usually a task to take on as a DIY project. The risks of making a mistake far outweigh the costs of hiring a professional plumber. Perhaps you have hooked up the water lines for a dishwasher, ice maker, or water heater. Therefore, you may have a basic understanding of pipe and fittings. 16 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Around here, PEX is used for underground gas piping of both natural gas and propane. It's yellow polyethylene similar to plumbing PEX but not as thick-walled usually. Where it come up out of the ground, a metal elbow is used to make the turn and be the stronger exposed part. 1 May 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.